if today's students have more access to resources, they have more access to information, to technology, then why are they underperforming from the previous generations in every cognitive measures that we have, like in numeracy, literacy, memory, focus, you name it, and they are lagging behind. Let's be honest, we introduced technology into education with the best intentions. We thought that with the use of Chromebook, iPad, digital technology will make learning smarter, faster, and will make it more engaging. But somewhere along the way, something went wrong. Technology into education. We rather reshaped education around technology. And that is the problem. Research around the world shows, and we as teachers, as an educationist, we see it, that when technology is introduced without any structure, it affects the academic performance of the students. Because the students, when they read the same content on the screen, they skim through, they scroll, they skip, and they are distracted as well. And when it becomes a habit, it affects their cognitive development, which is the way they think, learn, understand, memorize, and solve problems step by step. Their attention spans drop, their memory weakens, and their focus is already fragile. So this is not about blaming students. It is not about blaming teachers either. And it certainly does not mean to reject technology completely. The only problem is, how are we using technology in our education system? Is there any balance created, or it is used unbalanced? We need to have a structured use of technology in our education systems. We should not reshape our education around technology. We should embrace traditional teaching methodologies, which is reading deeply, writing thoughtfully, and solving problems step by step. Because education does not require speed, it needs depth.